sidestep, sidestep, shuffle, shuffle, sidestep, 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 shuffle, shuffle, sidestep. Oh! Stay with me. Sidestep, sidestep, shuffle, shuffle. Excellent.
It's Barky. He must have smelled the cheese in my nachos. Huh? That dog needs a brain scan.
I don't think they'd find anything, Trev.
Welcome back to Real Incredible Genius Pets.
Look, Tricky! It's that show that Bunting was on!
Our studio audience has voted on tonight's contestants, and there seems to be a first-place tie between Mr. Nosy the Anteater, who's supposedly a neo-realist painter, and Inky Scary Hands Johnson, the rather ill-tempered octopus who fancies himself a jazz percussionist.
Hi, folks. Executive producer Vince Cannelloni here with a very big announcement. Our viewer survey has been tabulated, and you, the people, have selected the past contestants who will represent our great nation in the upcoming International Genius Pet Competition. Your choice, by an overwhelming majority, was Barky Potansky.
No, not the dog. You promised it wouldn't be the dog. You promised!
Sorry, Bobby. The people have spoken.
Wow, great! Everybody, come quick! Barky was selected for the International Genius Pet Competition.
Oh my!
All we need to do now is work on your act. We need something patriotic.
Something with flair.
Darn it, Bigley, you're a genius! That's the kind of display that makes me proud to be an American.
Welcome to International Genius Pet Showdown, a shameless pay-TV scam during which I will most likely be mauled by a variety of animals from around the world. Now, let's get started with our first contestant. Not you! You're not first!
Girl, Bartlett, shake your groove thing!
Sorry. Sorry about that.
And now, from the continent of Asia, Mr. Kevin, a Malaysian macaque who makes his living as a hairstylist to the stars. Bring out the monkey! Hey, what's the deal here?
Well, Malaysian macaques are the most aggressive and meticulous groomers in the entire monkey kingdom. Which is probably what makes Mr. Kevin such a natural in the salon. You see, he's so...
I meant, what's going on with the dog?
Well, as far as I can tell, the dog is getting a little trim and scalp massage.
Can we just get on with the act?
Well, the act, so to speak, was to give your sorry puss a complete makeover. But as you can see, Mr. Kevin is with a client right now, and I don't mind telling you he reacts very badly to being rushed.
Oh, really? It's now or never, Mr. Kevin! Well...
Next. Happy here is a rare whistling new perhaps the most cowardly of all land mammals. Whistlers express their fear by, well, whistling.
Get off the stage!
You see, Bobby, after Khrushchev here mauled you in episode 21, he went through a period of very intensive psychological counseling.
Good for you, Khrushchev.
Thank you, fine lady. Anyway, as an unexpected side effect, this big, previously hateful bear became an expert flower arranger.
Well, his work is certainly, well...
Back away! Back!
Berkeley's act is basically a medley of internationally themed disciplines, from folk dancing to martial arts. And of course, tap dancing. As you can see, he's really taken to that.
Anyway, it's a big act with rotating sets, fireworks, and a few hefty explosions.
Why don't you get it over with, huh? Finish me off! And while you're at it,
Oh,
maybe
dear.
you'd like to release all the other animals from their cages so they can maul me again!
Oh, that's not the kind of thing you want to say to Berkeley.
Hit it, Broccoli!
Bad dog! I hope you never come back down!
Oh no! That Bobby T went and hurt the little doggy's feelings.
You should be ashamed of yourself, Mr. Booby. Apologize to Barky and tell him you're a good dog.
Are you kidding? I absolutely
Feed him to the bear!
Feed him to the weird whistling thing. Let the monkey give him a firm.
On the other hand, I'm very sorry I yelled at you. You're a very good doggy.
Berkeley Botensky, our international genius pet champion!
Way to go,
Let's get a picture with Bobby and the dog.
Penelope, it's time for school. Rise and shine.
Coming, Mother.
lovely breakfast, Mom, but I think I might be a little too thick to eat this morning.
Yeah, great. Who's gonna eat this now?
Oh. Well, that's it for breakfast. Would anyone like to sneeze into my lunch bag? Hey!
That's it. I'm reporting this entire family to the Department of Health.
Speaking of health, let me have a look at my little girl. I'm supposed to speak at a fear of public speaking seminar today, but maybe I should cancel and stay home with you.
No! Don't do that! People might think you canceled because you were afraid to speak, and that would set a very bad example for the kooks who will be attending the seminar.
You're right, sweetheart. Well, I'll come home as soon as I can, and in the meantime, Grandpa, Little Vic, and Berkeley will nurse you back to health. Won't you guys?
We sure will.
Do they make glasses that turn things right side up?
Nurse Barky, get your Medicaid bag.
Penelope, are you there? Our plan worked. We all tricked our parents into thinking we're sick. Except Tiffany. She got a little overdramatic and her mom rushed her to the emergency.
I'm here! My mom fell for it too! Just think, by playing hooky, we'll beat all the other girls in school to the grand opening of the hair scrunchie barn. You're darn right we'll get the best scrunchies. That's the whole point, isn't it?
Doctor is in. Off with the phone, Penelope. It's time for you exam.
Go away!
Penelope?
Not you.
Nurse Barky, reflex hammy.
Anyway, I think we should meet at the... As I was trying to say, I think...
Hey, Penelope, say No, not
What? What do you think you're doing?
We promised Mommy we nurse you back to health. Now sit still. We have to run more tests. See what's wrong with you.
Wait! If I tell you what's wrong with me, will you stop examining me and leave my room? I have a cold!
Whoa. Thanks for the diagnosis. We know just what to do.
Phew. Which hair scrunchie do I wear to the hair scrunchie barn? Now that's a toughie. Uh-oh. Blue scrunchie? No, the red one. No. How about a barrette? No one will expect you to wear a barrette to the hair scrunchie barn.
Don't worry, sick Penelope. We bring blankies and hot water bottles to cure you cold.
Hold it! Stop right there.
Okay, Nurse Barky. She good and covered up. Now we tucky her in real tighty. Okay, Nurse Barky. All we need now is the hot water bottle. I bet you good and warmy now, huh? Ooh, yeah, you burny uppy.
Hot. Very, very hot.
You too hotty? A doctor's work is never done. We be right back to cool you off.
Must get away before they come back. Must make it to the hair scrunchie barn. Okay.
Good, Penelope. You sit in the ice while Nurse Barky turn on the air conditioning and fans your head. Yay, you much cooler now. Oops, looking like we froze your hair. Nurse Barky, you think we should warm me Penelope back up again? No!
I feel much better now.
Funny, because you look a whole lot worse.
I'm better, all right. I feel great.
We're sorry. Mommy said
Okay. I'll tell you what. If you really want to help, bring me a get well bouquet. Just be sure to scour the whole neighborhood for the prettiest flowers.
Yay!
Just stay calm. There's still time for a quick dash to the scrunchy barn before Mom gets home. Uh-oh. Better go out the back door.
Petunia! I made you a nice mustard cast for your scabies.
On second thought, I better go out the window.
Mr. Lesty gave us nice flowers for you get well bouquet. He said he grow them special just for our family.
Poison ivy! Achoo! Oh! Bad dog! Oh no! Mom's home early! And that's Principal Baudelaire with her! Quick! Get me out of this window and hide me!
Not till you apologize to Nurse Barky and call him a good doggy.
Sorry, Berkeley.
That Nurse Barky to you.
Sorry, Nurse Berkeley. You're a good doggy. Now get me out of here!
I appreciate your obsessive sense of duty, Mr. Baudelaire, but I'm very sure that Penelope is actually sick.
Well, that's exactly what the other girl's parents thought until my sting operation resulted in the big bust at the hair scrunchy barn. Aha! Oh, dear.
Achoo! Hi, Principal Baudelaire. Sorry I couldn't make it to school today.
Oh, please, think nothing of it. You look, well, absolutely awful.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Bottom Hair.
Well, I'm very sorry I doubted your daughter, Mrs. Patansky. From the looks of things, I think she should take the rest of the week off. Please, take these in the form of a get-well gift. Just some scrunchies I confiscated from a few bad girls who were playing hooky.
I'm sorry I yelled at you guys. You can nurse me back to health anytime you want.
Oh, we never ever quit. Nurse Barky, Squirty the Poison Ivy good.
Huh?